established in 2008, including Isuzu light and medium-duty trucks and Toyota Japanese whole car auto parts. Products cover 90% Japanese and Isuzu cars. We have 8,000 square meters unstocked original auto parts warehouse in Guangzhou, who is the largest Isuzu parts stock warehouse in China. Unmanned workshop. Unmanned transport workshop. We have a strict management and operation system, ensure efficient operation of products in and out of storage. Tooling center equipped with cans of CNC and testing instrument. Contain from tooling producing to its maintenance. Manufacture center possessing 3D blow molding machine from lately. The double column 5-axis is mechanical center especially works for the field of vehicle space and auto. Can realize the machining of a complex surface. The unique design ensures the perfect size and quality product. Except the coordinate measuring machine, the test for torsion, tension, lifespan.